What is that fifth question? Just tell me, Ashwini, what is the fifth question? Length of the major axis. Not length of the major axis, I think. 0, plus or minus root 5. Ends of the major axis, correct. Ends of the major axis 0, plus or minus root 5. And ends of the minor axis plus or minus 1, 0. Major axis is on x-axis means. Major axis is on y-axis means. It is on y-axis, no? A is root 5, B is 1. A square is 5, B square is 1. X square by B square plus Y square by A square equal to 1. X square by B square means 1 plus Y square by 5 equal to. That's the answer. Understand? Very simple. Any doubt, anyone? Other than this? I can give one more question to you. Now, what is that question? This one understood, everyone? Ends of the major axis given means A. Then ends of the minor axis given means B. A, B given A square, B square, you can write and substitute. That's it. Okay. So one more to you, everyone. Be ready. Length of the major axis is 20. Length of major axis is 20. Foci is 0, plus or minus 5. Foci is 0, plus or minus 5. How to solve? Dear students, 2A is given 20. A is 10. A square 100. Foci means C is given 5. C square 25. Correct answer. B square is 100 minus 25. 75. X y-axis. Y-axis because 0, given, no? So x square by B square plus Y square by A square equal to 1 is the equation. That means x square by 75 plus Y square by 100 is equal to 1. Correct now? Everyone? 0, plus or minus 5 represent it is on y-axis. Whenever it is on y-axis given, you can write the formula is x square by B square plus Y square by A square is equal to 1. Understand? Good. Correct answer, Rakesh. Raju sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir.
ಏನೋ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸರ್ ಐಡಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ 6 to 8 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ದು?
ಫ್ರೀನೇ ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ 10 o'clock ವರೆಗೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಸರ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ Zoom ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? 10 o'clock ವರೆಗೂನಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು CET ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ವಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 10:30 ವರೆಗೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾಳೆನೂ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾಳೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಎಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. Complete everyone. Can I move to the next one? Right question. Vertices plus or minus 13 comma 0. And the foci is plus or minus 5 comma 0. The foci is plus or minus 5 comma 0. Find it. Vertices means what is given? A is 13, C is 5, A square 169, C square 25. B square is 169 minus 145. Only to find A and B. In A square enough. D is on x square means formula is this one now. X square by A square plus Y square. Then x square by what is A square? 169 plus Y square by what is B square? 144 equal 1. Perfect answer. Very good. Understand everyone? Next one. Yes, perfect. Now there is a question like this. They given how to solve this. We'll see. Okay, write one question, everyone. Major axis along x-axis. Major axis along x-axis, and passing through the points. 4 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 4. And passing through the points. Generally passing through point 4 comma 3 means here 1 4 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 4 means here, like that. But major axis along x-axis means it is on x-axis. Okay. So how to solve this type of question means you can consider x square by A square plus Y square by B square equal to 1. First substitute 4 comma 3. Then what you will get in place of x4? 16 by A square, 9 by B square equal to 1. Next equation is equation 1. Next substitute minus 1 comma 4. If you substitute minus 1 comma 4, if you substitute 4 comma 3, this you will get. If you substitute minus 1 comma 4 in the given equation, what you will get? 1 by A square plus 16 by B square equal to 1. This is the equation 2. You need to solve the both equation. That means multiply second equation with 16. 16 by A square plus 256 by B square is equal to 16. What is the first equation? 16 by A square minus plus 9 by B square equal to 1. Subtract this, minus minus minus, cancel. 1 by B square common. 256 minus 9 is equal to 15. 1 by B square equal to 256 minus 9, how much? (15 by 247). I want A square, substitute there. Right up to here first. I multiplied second equation with 16, then I subtracted. Okay. Right up to here. Next up, we'll write on this. Two 47 by 15, correct? Base square value. So b square is equal to 247 by 15. We want a square. 1 by a square plus 16 by b square equal to 1. If you substitute, what you will get? 247 by 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then final answer x square by 247 by 7 plus y square by 247 by 15 is equal to 1. LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If you take to numerator and if it means what is the final answer? 7x square plus 15y square is equal to 247. Okay. Don't ask how you got a square equal to 247 by 7. I substitute in the equation. Okay. You all substitute and check it. I checked it. Do it fast. Conjugate axis, transfer axis will come in hyperbola, not in ellipse. Okay. Here we are saying as major axis, minor axis. There we are saying transverse and conjugate. Okay. In this model, I'll give one more question. Do it fast. Completed. Can you move to the next question, all of you? Yes or no? Understand everyone? I'll give one more question on this. Can you try, everyone? Passing through points. Okay. Right. Major axis at y-axis and passing to the points 3, 2 and 1, 6. Can you try? Major axis and y-axis, what is the meaning? The formula is in the form of x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. That is the form. Okay. Do it, everyone. We'll get a minute time. Any answers, anyone? B square is 40, yeah? Good. If substitute 3 comma 2, what is the answer you will get, means, my dear students? 3 square 9 by b square plus 4 by a square equal to 1. This is equation 1. If you substitute 1 comma 6, what you will get? 1 by b square plus 36 by a square is 1. This is equation 2. Multiply this is with 9. First equation with 9. 81 by b square plus 9 4s are 36 by a square equal to 1. Second equation 1 by b square plus 36 by a square equal to 1. If you subtract, second term get cancelled. 80 by b square equal to this is 9 now. 9 minus 1 8. B square equal to 10 we are getting now. What is a square value? B square 10 means 1 by 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. How you got 40 b square? Check it once, everyone. B square everyone got 10. Okay. A square 40. Then the answer is x square by b square plus y square by 40 is equal to 1. Correct now, my dear students? Good. Complete, everyone. Can I give one more question this model? Are you ready? Good. Next question they given like this, dear students. Major axis is on x-axis. And passing through the point 4, 3 and 6, 2. Try this, everyone. Passing through 4, 3 and 6, 2. Do it fast. Passing through 4, 3, 6, 2. A square is 52 now. X-axis means you can consider x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If you substitute 4, 3, 16 by a square plus 9 by b square equal to 1. Okay, good, Ujjwal. Consider 6, 2, what you will get? 36 by a square plus 4 by b square is equal to 1. This one, these two. Multiply, this is with 4, this is with 9, I hope. Then a square you will get 52, b square you will get 13. X square by 52 plus y square by 13 is equal to 1. Correct, huh? Dear students, what I am saying it is correct. I directly wrote, okay. You solve clearly. Completed. We'll move to the next question. Next question means we can move to hyperbola. Next concept. Small variations will be there in hyperbola. Okay. The diagram is like this. This is focus. F1 c comma 0, F2 minus c comma 0. A is here. Is a comma 0 minus a comma 0. The origin. X-axis, y-axis. The equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Dear students, focus formula same, plus or minus c comma 0. What's this formula? Plus or minus a comma 0. But the relation between a square plus b square, c square is equal to a square plus b square here. There you are writing a square equal to b square, square plus c square now. But here c square equal to a square plus b square. Next, because c value is more than a, c is greater than a. Length of transverse axis. Transverse axis is nothing but x-axis. To a. Length of conjugate axis. To b. Conjugate means y-axis. Length of foci. To c. Length of lattice rectum. 2b square by a. Eccentricity c by a. All these formulas are same. Length of lattice rectum, eccentricity same for both. Okay. Do it. Right, everyone. Fast. Everyone is following, dear students. Yes, do it fast. Complete. Everyone. The formula is x square by a square minus y square by b square. It will come, dear students. Okay. For hyperbola. Okay, okay, right, slowly. Naina, switch off your video. Complete, dear students. Hyperbola. Suppose the diagram is like this. Then y square by x a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. In ellipse, denominator a square b square will interchange. But in hyperbola, numerator x square y square will interchange. Okay. Focus 0 comma plus or minus c. Vertex 0 comma plus or minus c. C square equal to a square plus b square common. E is equal to c by a common. Length of lattice rectum is equal to b square by a. Major axis to a, minor axis to b. That is also same. No change. Okay. Right. Complete, everyone. Can I move to the next question? Shall we start questions? We'll start problems. Dear students. Are you ready? Okay. Remember c square equal to a square plus b square here. List of equations, we can find first vertices, all the transverse axis, everything. So x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. You can find foci, vertices, length of lattice sectum, eccentricity. Okay, these 4 values. Dear students, a square is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. B square is equal to 9, b is equal to 3. C square is equal to a square plus b square. 16 plus 9, 25. C is 5. Focus, plus or minus 5 comma 0. Plus or minus 4 comma 0. C by a, 5 by 4. Length of 2b square by a, b square means 9. A means 4, 9 by 2. Correct? Huh? Please check it the values, everyone. Please check the values. Good, everyone got the answer? I'll give one more question. Y square by 9 minus x square by 27 is equal to 1. Can you try this? Everyone? Can you try this? Do it fast. Complete, everyone. Dear students, what you consider means a square is 9 only. B square is 27. A is 3, B is 3 root 3. C is equal to A square plus B square, 36. C is 6. Focus 0 comma plus or minus 6. What says 0 comma plus or minus 3? Essentially C by A, 6 by 3, 2. Length of lattice rectangle 2B square by A. B square means 27 by A means 3. 3 here 9 times. 9 2s are 18. Correct? Huh? Are you clear what I'm explaining? Yes. Can I give one more question, my dear students? Can I give one more question? A is greater than B is not a condition here. A is greater than B is in hyperbola. Cannot, sorry, in ellipse, not in hyperbola. Okay. Y square by what is number is there? That is A square. First y square means it is on Y axis. Now transverse axis they didn't ask, not required. I'll move to next question. You can try everyone. This is the time for you to try the question. Okay. Now the question is little different. 9y square minus 4x square equal to 36. First y square means it is y axis. First x square means it is x axis. That is the logic. Can you try this? Both sides divided with 36. Can you try everyone? Do it fast. If you divide on both sides 36, y square by 4 minus x square by 9 is 1. A square is 4, A is 2, B square is 9, B is 3. C square is 13. C is root 13. Foci 0 comma plus or minus root 13. Vertex 0 comma plus or minus 2. Eccentricity root 13 by 2. Length of its rectum 2b square 9 by A means 2. So 9. Correct everyone? Good. Perfect. Everyone is involving in the class. Super. Next question. 5y square minus 9x square is equal to 36. No. 16x square minus 9y square is equal to 576. Try this. Try this everyone. Got everyone answer? Good. Everyone correct. Super. Wonderful. If you divide both sides means x square by 576 by 16, how much? $36. Y square by 9y square 564. A square is 36, b square is 60. Sir, how we know it is a square, b square? X first is there means anything a square only. X axis this is. A is 6, b is 8. C square equal to a square plus b square 100, c is 10. It is on x axis. Focus plus or minus 10 comma 0. Vertex plus or minus 6 comma 0. Eccentricity c by a 10 by 6, 5 by 3. Length of lead sectum 2b square by a. 2 into what is b square? 64 by what is a? 6. 64 by 3. Correct now? Everyone got the correct answer? Very good. I'll move to the next question, my dear students. Can I move to the next question? Are you feeling bored? No. You're enjoying the class. Okay. Next question. Question number 49y square minus 16x square equal to 784. Good, Lisha. Lisha, why can't you take this online test? Take. Many of them not taken, you can take. You take now, but start writing after the English exam, no problem, okay? Once account is with you, you can do it. Try this, everyone. Try this first. Got the answer, everyone? Got the answer? Yes. Y squared by 780 by 784 by 49 means how much you will get? 16, no? Similarly, x squared by 49 equal to, first y is there, it is on y axis. A square 16, a is 4. B square 49, b is 7. Next, dear student, c square equal to 16 plus 49, 65. C is root 65. Good. Focus 0, comma plus or minus root 65. How we know it is on y axis? Because it's very clear that first it is there y. Vertex 0, comma plus or minus 4. Eccentricity c by a. C means what? Root 65 by 4. Length of lattice rectum 2b square by a. 2 into 49 by 4. 49 by 2. Everyone practicing or anyone is sleeping? No, no. Everyone is practicing seriously? Good. All this I am uploading in YouTube also. Okay. Once again, you can go through, share that video, subscribe the channel. Until the CET exam, I can help you a lot. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. All the students. Share to your friends also who are studying in your college. At least they can go through. Next one. One more question, my dear students. Are you ready? Can I give? But this one is small logic I can give. 5y square minus 9x square is equal to 36. Maybe here you are getting some fractions, my dear students. How fractions means? If you divide with 36, 5y square by 36 minus 9x square by 36 is equal to 1. That means y square by 36 by 5. X square by 4 is 1. A square is 36 by 5. A is 6 by root 5. B square is 4. B is 2. C square is 36 by 5 plus 4. C square is 5 4 20 plus 56 by 5. C is root of 56 by 5. Root of 56 means 14 fours are 2 root 14 by root 5. Focus 0 comma plus or minus 2 root 14 by root 5. Vertex 0 comma plus or minus 6 by root 5. Eccentricity c by a. What is c? 2 root 14 by root 5 by what is a? 6 by root 5. Root 5 cancel 3 times. Root 14 by 3. Length of red sectum 2b square by a. A means 6 by root 5. 2 3 times. 4 root 5 by 3. Understand? Do it, everyone. If the given fraction means no confusion, it is easy only. You don't feel it is difficult, okay? Do it fast. Completed everyone? Please say yes or no. Complete or not? Can you move to another questions? Yes. X square by 9 minus y square by 16. In this model, last question. X square by 9 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. Fast. Correct. Perfect. A square is 9, A is 3. B square is 16, B is 4. C square is 25, C is 5. Focus, x-axis no plus or minus 5 comma 0. Vertex plus or minus 3 comma 0. Eccentricity C by A 5 by 3. Length of red rectum 2B square, B square means 16 by A means 3. 32 by 3. Correct everyone? The following seriously? Now the second model, what is the second model means? Until now they only given equation, we are finding these values. Now they are giving like vertex, focus like that. You need to find the equation. Okay, are you ready to solve this next model? Yes. Foci not 0 comma plus or minus. Foci is plus or minus 5 comma 0. First x is there, it is x axis. First y is there, it is y axis. Understand? No confusion about concept. Lavanya, understood? Yes. Now next question, everyone. Be ready to solve. Next question. Vertices is given plus or minus 2 comma 0. Foci is plus or minus 5 comma 0. Find the equation. Find the equation, dear students. Find the equation. Find the equation. Good. Vertex means it is C. So A is 2, C is 3. A square 4, C square 9. B square equal to C square minus A square. 9 minus 4. B square itself is 5. X-axis, now what is the formula? X square by A square minus Y square by B square equal to 1. That means X square by 4 minus Y square by 5 is equal to 1. Correct, Acha. Super. So many students answered in correct way. Very good, Archana. Lavanya got, Shreya got, Hemant got correct answer, Asha, Rakesh. Very good. Can I move to the next question, everyone? Are you ready? Can I move to the next one? Yes, I can. How is the questions? Are you following seriously? It's interesting. What takes 0 comma plus or minus 13? Foci 0 comma plus or minus 5. Dear students, you can take it the online test. You are busy with English exam, I know, but you can enroll it and start writing after that. Okay. Yesterday, your friends wrote, they got very good marks. If you got more than 30 out of 60, that you are in race. Remember, you need to be in race. Do it fast. Find the answer for this, everyone. Yes, students. What text means A is given 13, A square is 169. Once again, I given any wrong, I think. Not sure. Wait a minute. Yes, I given wrong question. Don't mind. This question is wrong because you need to say always, sorry, A is less than C. It is wrong. Does not exist. I question correct only, but you can say does not exist. Equation does not exist. Correct? You are finding answers means it is wrong. Remember. Always the C value is greater than A. Because in the diagram it's clearly mentioned now. C is here, A is here. C is always greater than A. If C is less than A, it is wrong. Equation does not exist. None of this option now. If this type of questions came in, you can keep none of this. Understand everyone what I am speaking with you? You cannot say answer. Be thorough, but with the concept. Understand? It will be negative will come. Negative will complex. Complex does not exist now. That's why. Okay. Next one. Everyone understood this type of question? They'll ask none of these option now. Okay, next up. What is a 0 comma plus or minus 5? Focus 0 comma plus or minus 8. Do it, everyone. Do it, everyone. Do it, do it. Say what is the answer? Correct answer everyone got? Yes. Good. It is y-axis clearly mentioned. A is 5, a square is 25. C is 8, c square is 64. B square equal to c square minus s square. 64 minus 25 is nothing but 39, correct? So the formula y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. Y square by 25 minus x square by 39 is equal to 1. Everyone got the same answer? Monisha right answer. Shreya correct, Lavanya correct, Vishud correct, Rakesh correct, Asa correct. Dear students, everyone is there in the class, everyone is listening very seriously. Everyone understanding the class? Say yes or no, everyone. Everyone, you can type yes or no. Everyone. All the 90 members who are sitting in the class, you need to respond back. If you're not responding back, I can consider as you are sleeping, you're not listening to the class. Very serious. Who are there in the class? Everyone, you can respond. Fast. Ninety members are there, only 60 members they replied. Only 60 replied. What about remaining 30? Only 69 replied. Remaining 20, sleeping mode. Okay, good. Almost on the 80 members replied. Remaining 10 members, I think they are in sleeping mode. We can't help them. Next question I can move. Actually, conic section is dry topic, but I think you are enjoying this topic also. What is a 0 comma plus or minus 3? Focus 0 comma plus or minus 5. Try the answer, everyone. Try answer fast. What is the answer? What x means a is given 3, a square is 9, c is given 5, C square is 25. B square equal to C square minus S square. It is on y-axis, no? Y square by S square minus X square by B square equal to 1. Y square by 9 minus X square by 25 minus 10, 16, correct. Okay. Correct answer, everyone. Yeah, it is 16 I wrote. It is 16 I wrote, everyone. Did we ask a doubt? Did we ask a doubt? Nothing? Okay. Can I move next question, everyone? Yes. Foci plus or minus 5 comma 0. Length of transverse axis is equal to 8. Foci means C is 5. C square 25. Transverse axis means 2A is 8. A is 4. A square is 16. B square is equal to C square minus S square. 25 minus 16, 9. These x-axis by looking at focus, you can understand it is x-axis. X square by S square minus Y square by B square is 1. That means X square by 16 minus Y square by 9 equal to 1. Understand, everyone? How to solve? Understand? Understand, everyone? Good. Can I move to the next question? What but? Complete. Next one. Foci 0 comma plus or minus 13. Length of conjugate axis 24. It's okay. Length of conjugate axis 24. Dear students, what is meant by conjugate axis? 2b. Do it. 2a given, 2b given. How to solve? Correct, Rakesh. Got the correct answer, everyone? What is A square? We don't know, we need to find. C square is given. C is 13, C square is 169. 2b is 24. A square is equal to C square minus B square. 169 minus 144. 25 A square. B square is 144. Y axis no? Y square by A square minus X square by B square equal to 1. Y square by A square value 25. B square value 144 is equal to 1. Understand? Yes. Next question. Can I move? Everyone? We'll move to the next question. Be ready. See, conjugate axis they given means y axis 2b. Transverse axis means 2a. Okay. Yes, dear student. Next question. Foci is given plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0. And length of lattice rectum given 8. I will give a minute, 2 minutes time to solve for you first. Try everyone. Can you? Try. Try everyone answer. Yes. Good. What is the answer? So you got everyone? You got the correct answer? I hope most of them got the answer. Good. See, C is given 3 root 5, dear student. Then C square is 9 5s are 45. Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a is equal to 8. Okay. Careful. 2b square is equal to 8a. B square is 4a. Okay. C square formula a square plus b square equal to 45. Substitute in place of b square a 4a. A square plus 4a minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay. Then what is the answer you will get? A square plus 4a minus 45, 9 5s are 45 now. A plus 9 into a minus 5 is 0. A is equal to 5. A square is 25. X no, x square by a square minus square equal to 1. What is a square? 25. What is b square? B square 4a, no? 4a we got 5. So b square 4 5s are 20. 20 is equal to 1. Correct? Huh? How many got the correct answer? Perfect. Super. Correct, Shaya. Everyone is listening now? No one went out of the class now? Everyone is there in the class only? Good. And Ujjwal Gowda, understood? Can I move to the next question, all of you? Yes or no? Yes, next question. So, whatever we are discussing questions, be thorough, practice, okay? Practice means ಏನು practice ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Test ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See, I'll give one more question, all of you. Focus is given plus or minus 4 comma 0. Length of radius rectum 12. Length of radius rectum 12. Try everyone. C is given 4. C square 16. Length of radius rectum, dear student, 2b square by a. B square is 6a. Same, a square plus b square equal to 16. A square plus 6a minus 16 is 0. A 2s are 16 now. A plus 8 into a minus 2 is 0. A is equal to 2. A square 4. B square is 6 2s are 12. You know, a square is square. It is on x-axis. X square by a square minus y square by b square is 1. Correct? X square by what is a square? 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. Everyone following very seriously? Getting correct answers? Yes, next one. Can I move to the next one, everyone? Dear students, are you there in the class? Before 90, it became 83. I don't know how. I can identify those students and throw. See next question. vertices plus or minus 7 comma 0 and E is equal to 4 by 3. I'll give 3 minutes time. Try everyone. Vertices plus or minus 7 comma 0. E is equal to 4 by 3. Do it fast. Find the answer, everyone. Yes, correct answer. Everyone got the answer? Super. So you got the answer means C vertex means A given 7. A square is 49. That's fine. E is equal to formula C by A is equal to 4 by 3. C by 7 is equal to 4 by 3. 7 4s are 28 by 3. C square 784 by 9. We want B square. C square minus A square. 784 by 9 minus 49. 49 are 441. 343 by 9. Good. X no x square by A square minus y square by B square equal to 1. X square by 49 minus y square by 343 by 9 is equal to 1. So if you write perfectly, x square by 49 minus 9y square by 343 is equal to 1. If you got the fraction, don't confuse, okay? Do slowly, you will get definitely correct answer. This is the answer. Understand? Correct answer, Monshar. Monshar, yesterday you forgot to send a message to me. Just you ping me, I'll send the ID password, okay? Monisha PS. Got Monisha. Yes, WhatsApp only. Monisha. Monisha. CS4 AS3 now. What is this Pajwal? I didn't understand. Now, E C by A correct. After that, no, that is the ratio. You cannot take equal to 4 equal to 3. Understand? That is the ratio. I'll move to the next question, all of you. Foci 0 comma plus or minus 3. Vertex 0 comma plus or minus root 11 by 2. Find the equation. Find the equation, everyone. Good. Perfect. Didn't got the correct answer. Very simple. SDA students. Perfect. Sinchana, why you raised hand? What's your doubt, Sinchana? Focus means C is 3, C square 9. Sinchana, tell me. Vertex means A is equal to root 11 by 2. Fraction K means no issue, 11 by 4, let us assume. B square equal to 9 minus 11 by 4. 4 9s are 36, 25 by 4. So y-axis no? Y square by A square minus X square by B square equal to 1. Four y square by 11 minus 4x square by 25 is equal to 1. Correct? Perfect. Super. Everyone is flowing. Today time e ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ 7:45 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Today we don't know the time, how fast it is going. Correct na everyone? Foci 0 comma plus or minus 12. Length of lattice rectum 36. Maybe concentration is the reason. Interesting topic. All are involving very seriously like that. Maybe so many reasons. Find the answer for this, everyone. Now it is 76 members. Some of them are going slowly. Sleepy mode. Don't go until last who are there in the class. They are only winner. Remember that. Maybe the last question what we are discussing today class, that only it will come in the examination. Who knows? Right now. Total 90, 100 members are there. But why some of them not enrolled for CET? You are not interested. Why? I am pleasing to everyone. You by paying 300 you can enroll it. It is useful, I am telling very seriously, because each exam contains 60 tests, 60 into 24 questions. Can you imagine how much? One 440 questions, sir. Okay. You can study, you can get the answer. Okay. After the class, at least you enroll today. Some of the students send your name and password, name, email ID, mobile number, pay through Google Pay. Otherwise, I'll say to Pandu sir also, once to push your parents, inform ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. It is useful now. When it is useful, you can take it. Already your students, your friends are started writing. Hard work ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ, but test ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು speed. ನೋಡಿ, she said yesterday, sir, I attend only 45 questions, sir, ಅಂತ. Out of 1 hour time. It will happen. ಅದು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, because you are not taking very seriously, means I need to say that's it. Length of radius is 2b square by a is equal to 36. B square is 18a. A square plus b square equal to 144. Correct? A square plus what is b square value? 18a minus 144 is 0. 144 means which values we can take? 4 table? No. 6 table? 24 table? Okay, 24 6 are a plus 24 into a minus 6. A is 6. A square is 36. B square is 18 6 are 108. It is on y axis. Y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. Y square by what is a square 36 minus x square by 108 is equal to 1. Correct? Perfect. Yet so many students are seriously listening. They are getting the answers, but I am telling very seriously to you, test is only very, very important. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ 60 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜು. ಆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ತಾನೇ ನಾನು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು, ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ see, if you are not interested, nimge interest ide parent interested illa, phone number koda, I'll speak with them. Okay, how much amount we are spending on the pizza purchase madre 300 plus agutte including GST. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಉಜ್ವಲ್ ಗೌಡ ಇನ್ನು ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Who are telling answers very fast, I am telling to them, compulsory ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆ 60 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. Who are taken already, they will win. Remaining ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ foci 0, plus or minus root 10 passing through 2, 3. Passing through 2, 3, my dear students. Passing through 2 comma 3. How to solve this? Passing through 2 comma 3. Out of the 73 students, how many already taken test? Can you raise your hand? I will see who did not take. ನೀವು the students ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ the value of the testಗಳು. That's why I'm telling very seriously. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ವರೆಗೂ ನೀಟ್ ಜೆಇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಇಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಾಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ₹300 ₹200 ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 300 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 300,000 3000 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 30,000 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಇಟಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಯರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ವಿನ್. 3000 2000 ಒಳಗಡೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ 60 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಯಾರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 1 2 3 4 ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 24 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಇಟ್? Every test is a speed. Why we are writing test means the speed, increase the speed. Remember, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. Yesterday your friend only said no 45 questions only I read sir, in that 32 marks I got. That will happen in the first test. ನೀವು ಏನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 45 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕನ್ನ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಾನೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I'm not scolding, I'm telling to everyone. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10% ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಅದು 300 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 600 1000 2000 ಇರೋರು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಚೀಪ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊರತು ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. This question you can try in home. C is given as root 10. C square is 10. Passing through these y-axis, no? Y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. Y square by 5 minus x square by 1. Okay, correct answer. Substitute 2 comma 3, what you will get? 4 by a square minus, sorry, 9 by a square minus 4 by b square equal to 1. C square means a square plus b square equal to 10. If you solve these two, you will get the answer. Okay. How to solve these two? They given it is 0 comma plus or minus root 10. Focus means it is passing through y-axis only. No. By looking at the focus, we can understand it is x-axis or y-axis. Okay. I'll explain up to here. After this solving these two equations, you can try in home. Okay. This is regarding circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay, this last two steps you can try. Okay, so this is regarding conic section. I hope conic section we discussed clearly, understandably. I think everyone followed very nicely all the 4 concepts. Okay, yes or no? All the 4 concepts you understood? Circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay, just to practice all these questions. Any CET question they can ask only in this level. They cannot go more than this level. Okay. First you be thorough these questions. Okay. Who already enrolled for test, registered ID and password I send. 1 or 2 members I didn't send, today I'll send. So who already registered, you can start practicing test. Up to Sunday you can practice test daily, one test. That's it. Okay, one subject, one test. Once ಇವತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬಯೋ ಆ ಥರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೈಲಿ one ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6 to 7 I can take the class. Evening 6 to 7 I will take the class. Okay, 6 to 7 evening. So who are interested to enroll after the class, just to send message to me. I can create ID and password to you. Okay. That's it, today's class. I hope everyone enjoyed today's class. I can leave now. You can continue this question home. Okay. Today I will send one more new chapter also. You should just remind me. Okay. That's it. See you all of you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.